let's go. So here guys, what I'm doing here, I'm investing on IQ option, on binary option, and I'm making perhaps, I guess I got a signal where I will make more than $1,000. I guess that I'm making more than $1,000. So my prediction here is that the market will close under this level. So it's going down and it's closing under this level. If my prediction is right, I'm making 85% of my total investment, which is $255. Yeah. By the way, I'm using the strategy that I always use on this channel and on binary option. The strategy is explained in the course in the description below, where I will teach you how I use the indicators, my method to use the indicators. Yeah, I made $255. Amazing, amazing. So back to what I was saying. So yeah, this one is also going down. So as you can see, it's clear that this one is also going down. Great. So what will be happening is that yeah, all right, this color. So I will teach you everything I learned over the years, from the indicators that I use, the chart patterns, the methods, the money management method, the the uh, the indicators, the way I use the indicators, and everything. So if you are interested, I invite you to go to the course in the description below. That's it. All right, as you can see, I'm investing $300 and I'm making 255. Yep, $255. That's amazing. Yeah, so a downtrend is clear. So what you're looking at right now, once you learn the strategy, guys, you will understand what I'm doing here. So this made everything easy for me. This candle made everything easy for me to predict the movement. Yep, this one. Also, the parabolic SAR made it clear. So look here what's happening here. So guys, once you learn the strategy, you will understand what I'm doing here. 1, 2, 3. Great, amazing. I made $255. Let's go. This time we see, yeah, we will see an uptrend. We'll see green candle being created. Yeah, so the market will close above this level. It's going above this level. Great. Let's wait for it. So be careful, guys. Don't buy signals. There's some people trying to sell you signals. Some people using my name, of course. I will never reach to you and ask you to buy my signals. All right, I will never ask you to buy my signals. Only thing that I have is my course, which is in my description, in the description below, binarystrategycourse.com. Great. binarystrategycourse.com. And that's it. I will never try to sell you signals or stuff like mentorship or something. Those, so the only one that you need to trust in your trading is yourself. All right, you need to trust yourself, and that's it, guys. Trust yourself. So I'm investing $300. I'm making $255. If I'm losing $300, and that will be on me. No one told me to do this. I want you to trust yourself, and how you can do it: by mastering enough indicators, by mastering enough chart patterns. All right, chart patterns, techniques, methods, everything, and try to trade on demo account. Spend time on demo account. That's my advice to you. Don't buy mentorship, and don't buy Yeah, signals. There's plenty good stuff out there, free stuff on YouTube. There's plenty of good videos that will teach you different indicators. There's plenty of good books out there on the internet. You can find different books about different subjects on trading, psychology, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Plenty good stuff. You can learn too much stuff that will help you trade like professional traders. And this is simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option trading. This is not me saying that you will have this results. You'll not have the same results overnight, trust me. If you think that you will make this amount of money in a week or month or two, you are going to lose your money, trust me. This is years and years of trading, not sleeping nights. So I advise you to give it time and to put a lot of effort on demo accounts especially. Yeah. So $255. Guess I still have perhaps one or two trade-in signals. Yeah. So I guess that's it. $255. Yep. Let's open the last trade. Of course, this one is going down, so look at the pattern. It's a pattern. You need to know what you're doing. All right, this one went from down to above, so 1 2 or sorry 1 2 4 4. So this one is going to be a red candle. I'm 100%. This one is going to be a red candle. Look what's happening with the other side. This one is 100% going to be a red candle. So, and it will be my last trading signal for this day. Great. Yep. So see you later, guys, and hope you enjoyed.